All right, and that's why you write a product requirement documentation, because it pretty much did everything in two prompts. And I'm pretty sure it would have done the whole thing if I didn't even use either of those prompts. So what we're gonna do now is like literally just verify if it made everything. We're gonna be like, hey, did you make this? And have you done the following? And paste this one. When you want to go to the next line and you're communicating in your terminal, make sure that you hold shift when you press enter, because if you just press enter, you're sending the prompt. So here's why you wouldn't YOLO things. After it read the files based on the prompt, it's now trying to add notification proxy URL. Now, I don't code, but that sounds pretty obvious. It sounds related to notification. So I'm going to actually press no and say, if that thing relates to notifications, then don't add it, as our app doesn't use them. Sorry about my dog barking. There's a neighbor passing by. It's just getting angry. Protecting the house. So it says you're right. Since the application doesn't use notification, I wouldn't add it. It's also good not to assume, oh, that's notification because it sounds like it, and always communicate with AI for the best outcome. And turns out there was actually some functionalities that it could add to improve the app. For example, it just added a option to disconnect your wallet. And during the process, it made some errors, so now it's just cleaning it up. There's still another error, and you could always see that the file looks red here. And if you go to problem, let's say Claude didn't catch it, what you want to do is to head to problem, and by clicking it, you see what part of the code. When it's looking like this, it means it's just that part is not being used. So what you do is just like close that off, hold command, press C to copy the whole thing, and you come over here and paste it. What Claude is going to say is probably that we're not even using that and get rid of it. There we go. But again, I'm not a coder, and if you're here, you're probably not a coder either. So just use AI.